And he's asking about me, huh?
Every day. Every day.
Baby, show him where to put his feet.
He knows. I think he knows where to put his feet on.
Find the little things. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, excuse us, sorry. What's that back there? Yeah, we didn't know you liked bikes or come by. He is, honey. He's gonna park right there. That's the second trip around.
What you think, Daniel? Yeah. It's a nice one.
Yeah, if you want to, when we do get to leave, Daniel might get a kick out of watching Skylar get on the bike and leave and watch Daddy ride off. Because she will. She'll ride home with him.
I could hear it now. Ooh. Ooh.
Sometimes she tells me, she goes, no. She goes, you take the truck. I'll ride.